Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to put a quick in-depth review about the CRM build platform, which is Salesflare. So to get started, Salesflare is a smart CRM build for small business and B2B sales teams that want to automate their sales process. It automatically pulls in contact details, track emails, log meetings, and build a customer timeline without manual data entry. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, and it integrates with tools like Gmail, Outlook, LinkedIn, Zipper, and it's perfect for salespeople who want to focus on closing deals instead of updating spreadsheets. On the downside, Salesflare has a limited customization option and compared to larger CRMs, and its email marketing features are basic. Some users have also reported occasional synchronization issue with integrations and a mobile app that lacks some desktop features. Despite these features setback, Salesforce is worth it for small teams looking for a simple automated CRM that saves times and keep their pipeline organized. And that's it. Hope you find the video review helpful. If you did, turn on the vision button and subscribe for more. Thanks.